What's up guys, this is Trey from Smart Home Starter and just doing a quick video on how to reset an LG TV without a remote. Just to kick this off, there's two types of resets you might need to do. One being a soft reset, and that's going to help you fix any minor issues the TV may be experiencing. The other is kind of the nuclear option. This is a factory reset, and what that's going to do is completely wipe the TV clean. It's going to remove all your apps, your passwords, your settings, and it's going to be like day one when you bought the TV. So before we move to that option, we'll walk through a couple soft resets. The first being by simply holding the power button on the TV. We're going to press and hold that for about 10 to 15 seconds, and we should see the TV kind of cycle through. And that's going to be your soft reset. What that should do is fix, again, those minor issues. Now the next soft reset that we can do, and I know this is going to sound overly simple, but we're going to unplug the TV for a full 60 seconds. Now what that's going to do is give the TV time, let the electric buildup kind of dissipate, and again, hopefully fix whatever issue it is that you're having. Now, if none of those works and we do need to run into the factory reset, I have two methods for you. So to perform a factory reset, we need to be able to access the menu on the TV. Now we can't do that without the remote control. You can't use the buttons. It only gives you options to change your input, your channel, and your volume. So that leaves us two options. One is using the ThinQ app. Definitely super easy. And two, using something like one of these. These are universal remotes. This is a GE and this is a Philips. I've played with both of them on this TV. They work great. They're low cost. And if you need a physical remote because you just like having a remote, this will replace your remote. Now the easiest option is definitely going to be downloading the ThinQ app. From here, this allows us to control the TV from our phone. So there you go, that TV is now turning on from my phone. Now if you don't have the ThinQ app, it's really easy to get. Just go to your app store and download the ThinQ app, and then from there create an account, and then make sure your phone and your TV are on the same Wi-Fi, and then you can connect your TV to your phone. Now if you have an iPhone and you're having issues, you're going to want to make sure that, we'll just put it right here, that this setting is turned off or turned on, so it allows your phone to kind of find it. So once they're connected, you may need to turn on your TV, go to settings, and allow your phone to turn on the TV. I had to do that just now. I've reset this TV so many times. And that's really easy. Just go to, well, I'll put it here. Follow these steps right here. So now that you have the ThinQ app on your phone, what we're gonna do is just hit the home button. No, I'm sorry, we're gonna go to the settings button. And then from the settings, what we can do is navigate down to the all settings. Sometimes that's called advanced settings. And then from there, we're gonna select general, and then we'll hit system, and then we'll hit reset. And we're basically just using our phone as the remote control. So pretty easy. I love the ThinQ app. I don't think it's talked about enough. Again, you have these options as well. Still good. Check the description below. That's all I got today. So I hope that helped you guys out. If it did, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, drop a comment. We'd love to hear from you. And that's all I got for today. So thanks you guys so much for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. See ya.